Welcome to our channel. Today, we're discussing a crucial topic, the top 5 regrets of retirees and how you can avoid them. Whether you're close to retirement or just planning ahead, understanding these common regrets can help you make better choices for a fulfilling future. Stay tuned! Retirement is a significant milestone in life, but it's also a time for reflection. Many retirees look back and wish they had done things differently. Let's explore these top 5 regrets and offer actionable advice on how to avoid them. One of the most common regrets is not saving enough for retirement. Many retirees find themselves struggling financially because they didn't plan adequately. Advice: start saving as early as possible. Take advantage of retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs and consider consulting a financial planner to help you create a solid saving strategy. Remember, it's never too late to start saving, but the earlier you begin, the better. Many retirees regret not taking better care of their health. Chronic illnesses and poor health can severely impact your quality of life during retirement. Advice: prioritize your health now. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and routine medical checkups are essential. Make lifestyle changes that promote long-term wellness and consider preventive measures to keep health issues at bay. A common regret among retirees is not spending enough time with family and friends. As careers and daily responsibilities take precedence, important relationships can sometimes be neglected. Advice: make an effort to prioritize your relationships. Schedule regular family gatherings, stay in touch with friends, and be present in the moments that matter. Building strong connections can lead to a more fulfilling and joyful retirement. Many retirees wish they had spent more time pursuing their passions and hobbies. These activities can provide joy, purpose, and a sense of accomplishment. Advice: don't wait for retirement to start doing what you love. Make time for hobbies and interests now. Whether it's traveling, painting, or learning a new language, engaging in activities you're passionate about can enrich your life and bring lasting satisfaction. Finally, many retirees regret not planning for the non-financial aspects of retirement. Without a plan, they can feel bored, unfulfilled, or even depressed. Advice: plan for how you'll spend your time in retirement. Consider volunteering, part-time work, or new hobbies to stay active and engaged. Think about your goals and how you can continue to grow and contribute even after you've stopped working full-time. In conclusion, understanding these common regrets can help you make better choices now to ensure a happier, more fulfilling retirement. Start saving, take care of your health, cherish your relationships, pursue your passions, and plan for the future. By doing so, you can avoid these regrets and enjoy a rewarding retirement. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on living your best life at any age. Start planning your future today.